He adored New York City. He idolized it all out of proportion. No, make that he romanticized it all out of proportion. Yeah.
Oh my God, that's it! It's the actual one! I've only seen it in pictures!
And all the lights. What a city this is.
This is the greatest city in the world. Where else can you be paranoid and right so often?
I mean, you're like New York City. You're just this person. You're like this island unto yourself.
I want to go someplace fun. Take me someplace fun. It's New York. Let's go.